Hi guys, so we want to discuss labels in QGIS, and for the sake of this demonstration I use the cities in Africa, and I'm interested at the population. You can see I've already colored them with white to less populated cities and red to the most populated cities, and still it's not enough. So I can use labels, properties, and below symbology you have the labels. Currently I have no label. What are these labels? It's just 1 minute. It's a value. It's based on the attributes tables, a value from the attribute table. If I apply now, I'll get a label with the population of a city for each of the cities, and it's too much information. So one thing I can do is use the calculator or just write the functions down. I round the population, I divide it by 1 million, and I round it to 1 digit after the digital point. So you can see many have no values, but some cities are much larger. So I don't want all of them to appear, and that's why I'm using rule-based labeling. And in here the interface has two sections. One is the filter. I'm using the calculator. I'm going to the fields and values, and I only want the cities which their population, it's called pop max in the table, is higher than 1 million to appear. And the way it appears is as I showed you, in millions with 1 digit after the digital point, and that already shows us something. You can see that Western Africa has several large cities, South Africa, but in the Sahel there are hardly any large cities, and Cairo is the leader by far. We're done, thank you.